Shout out to World of Oz for creating a video, how to screen record with audio to your SD card on the RC2 DJI Air 3. I just spent so much time looking through my SD cards for the screen recordings, and I got to worry because I just took it out of the controller and then I just put it with the rest of my SD cards. So I'm thinking, let me check all the SD cards. And I'm just checking and checking because usually it's like an Android folder and stuff like that. And I could not find it. And then I stumbled upon this video that gave a really important tip is once you put in the SD card and you click the explore the SD card and then you have to copy the screen recordings over to your SD card. That is crazy to me that you have to do that. I don't understand why DJI comes out with things that feel like to me should be pretty apparent that you should include that in this initial release. It seems like they always release things that are not all the way ready. They release them, and of course, we buy it. And now, hopefully, with some type of update, this can be corrected. But I wasted so much time. So his video is definitely helpful. Check out his video. He also has about how you can hook up a mic and get the audio. So that's very important. But he saved me some headache because I was thinking I lost my screen recordings. Thanks a lot to the World of Oz.